classic question of just how you got into the ADR room and what kept you there.
So my start was music, and it was a natural transition when it happened for me, and it set me up nicely. I felt when I got into ADR, it felt sort of like the same thing, if that makes any sense, as far as the rhythm of the session goes. And then once I got into it, I managed, and the way it works in ADR is if you're good at it and you don't sync, you stay there. And then as you get better, people like you, because ADR is a very difficult type of session to maneuver. When people find somebody who can actually do an ADR session correctly, they keep you and they call you and they want to use you, and that's kind of what happened to me. I just sort of kept getting the calls and kept getting booked, and it wasn't what I set out to do necessarily, because I also mix, I also sound design, I also record voice for animation, and I still do all of that, but predominantly I'm an ADR mixer these days. I'd say 70% of the time.